Cassie, and today we're going to review this awesome Dogman Attack of the Fleas game by the University Games. And today I'm here with Katia.
Hi.
And Laura.
Hello.
And this is for ages 6 and up, 2 to 6 players. You can see the back. And it's up to you to save the city.
This board game is based on the amazing book series of Dogman.
Let's open the buttons. Here is the board game. You can name it. Here is the token. The token.
Ooh. Here are our characters. We have a board game, the chief, the reporter, a little cat, a big cat, a dog superhero, and a robot.
You mean Pete and Little Pete?
Oh, shush. Oh, they are so easy to pop out.
I know.
Look at this. Look, just pop out like that. It's so easy. Just look across the room. I'm just going to stand over here. Fire in the hole. So they're kind of like a hard cardboard texture with two sides.
Can I try?
Oh, and here's the evil Brontosaurus with the three V's. Ouch. So these fit together perfectly. They just go in the, where'd they go?
Okay, so now we have to place these tool tokens in these tool spaces. So like this one goes here, and on the tool tokens, the yellow goes under, then the purple goes on top. Like so.
Now you might be wondering what these two tool tokens are for. Well, when you land on them, you can take the top one and keep it for when you need it. So the Brontosaurus starts here, and if he gets here, the players lose. So the shrink ray, this one, is the only one that destroys the Brontosaurus. So this one can move the Brontosaurus back if you spin it. Got these little characters, like Sarah and Robot, and they go on their little places.
So now we're going to choose our tokens. I'm going to choose this one.
I'll choose this cute little cat.
It's Pete.
And the robot. And the robot.
Okay, so now it says the latest person that read the book series. So who is the person?
I read it
person?
yesterday.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, did I read it one?
Well, she read it yesterday, so she gets to go first. Then Laura, then me, because I read.
So I shall spin it.
2 years ago.
3. I got a 3. So I'll take little Petey, and I could either go 1, 2, 3, or 1. No, 1, 2, 3.
Nope. Can't go past the end.
I think I'll go this way. 1, 2, 3. So I landed on a tool card. So I can pick this one up and see it.
Ooh.
So I got a invisibility spray. With this token, players can move double the spins they spun.
The bags. I got a 3. Oh, wait, who was I?
The little robot.
Oh, yeah. Wait, when?
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
My sister can't count.
Hello.
I can count.
Hello.
Your turn,
Your turn,
Lacey.
Liz.
Good spin.
Thank you.
Very
2.
good.
1, 2.
What's so funny about that?
I'm already.
This is once the Brontosaurus is all taken apart, everyone has to go back to home.
Okay, so now we need to spin for the monster. First, I'll spin for the monster, then Katia can, and then Laura can, and then I can, and then Katia can,
And this,
Laura can.
and you know when to spin for the monster for the Brontosaurus. It's a dinosaur. You know when to spin for the Brontosaurus because when the last player has spun, which was Lacey, you get to spin for the Brontosaurus. So Lacey, spin away.
Nice spin.
2.
Okay, 1, 2.
Ooh, that's
And the Brontosaurus.
Oh no! Ah!
The Brontosaurus can only go one direction on this red line.
And
so
if the Brontosaurus...
So it cannot go on these yellow lines. But it can only go here. Once it gets here, the game's ended.
And if the Brontosaurus lands on prison, it misses a go.
Which
so
is good for
that
us.
means we get a turn to win.
And if the Brontosaurus lands on a tool, for instance, then if you land on a tool, you can't get that tool. The Brontosaurus is keeping it safe. So I rolled a 1, which means it gets doubled, which is 2. I know maths. So I think I'm actually going to go this way. 1, 2. Oh,
Okay.
another tool.
You only landed on the same spot that you were started as.
Oh, look. What'd you get? I can kill them. I can make the Brontosaurus dizzy.
You got the shrink ray.
My turn.
Well,
You got 2.
no, I got 1. I should have took 2. 1! Yes! My first tool card. I got a chopper. So on my next turn, when I spin this again, I can pick my character up and move anywhere on the board. Your turn, Lice.
Okay, my turn.
You could also use the invisible spray, you know.
I don't want to, I don't think.
Or do I? You don't think.
Okay, I don't want to. 1, 2.
That's it, 2.
Wait, does that mean you get that one?
Yes,
I do.
Nice.
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, it's a chopper. What?
There's more choppers.
Duplicates.
Duplicates. Yay, now I have 2.
I get to roll the monster now. I'm gonna roll the monster. 3.
Oh no.
1, 2, 3.
Almost
Oh no.
I could either just choose to spin, or I could choose to spin and move the Brontosaurus back that many spaces. I'm gonna choose to move it back that many spaces. 1.
Oh no, it's in that space. But at least it's no tool cards.
Ooh,
The Brontosaurus is now on a tool space, which means if I rolled, spun a 1 and I landed, okay, never mind. If I spun a 3 and I landed on a tool space, I couldn't be able to take this tool because the Brontosaurus is on the tool
space.
Any single bit of tool. You can only use your own.
Yes. So I'm now gonna spin. 3.
And you got an exact 3.
Yay!
Yay! You know you could go the other way.
I'm going this way. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, you need 1, girl.
Your turn.
Yes, I'm nice.
Okay. Let's hope you don't land on the tool space. Oh.
Do you know how to spin?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Oh, 1.
1. Okay. Hi. Move your nose.
Just a 1.
Get off the tool space.
Oh, I got a 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! So the Brontosaurus has landed on prison, which is happy for us because it means the next person to spin it for it, which is me, I don't get to spin for it. It loses a whole turn.
Which means it doesn't
Yay.
move him. We have a chance.
So now it's my turn to spin. 2. I got a 2. 1, 2.
Why are you
Take a
taking
tool
Why are you taking
space.
all our tool cards?
Because I can.
You got the shrink ray.
Shrink ray! So I got the shrink ray, which is the only tool card that can take apart the Brontosaurus. But here's the catch. With this thing, for it to be useful, I need to go directly to the space over there, while I'm over here.
But if you have a chopper and one of these, you can, on your turn, you can use these two and go directly here and take a piece off. Because you have one of these and one of these. This one means you can move anywhere around the board. This one means you can take off a piece. Okay. Please land on the tool card. Why did I move there? I don't know why. Nice. I can move.
Now you're back here. No, never mind.
I'm silly.
Yeah, you are.
3, yay!
Okay.
Sorry, I had to.
1, 2. No, I'm so dumb.
Why?
No, but now he can move. Can't he?
No.
What?
He's on prison.
Then.
So normally,
No,
Lacey would have spun for the Brontosaurus, but since he's still serving out his sentence in prison, it just goes straight to me, and he misses his turn. Did he move 1? Do it.
1.
You can't do that.
Hey, it was a 1.
No.
Okay, yeah,
Now it's a 1, comma.
It's a little thing called comma. 1.
Yay.
Get off my space.
Your turn. I see.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
No.
Chopper!
Come on, I need that.
I spun. 1.
1, 2.
1. 1, 2.
Your turn, Laura.
My queen.
The galaxy. 3.
2.
1, 2. Your turn.
Lacey has all the choppers.
Does the monster move now? Why did you give that to me?
I just unflipped it because it was somewhere.
Wait. So I'm actually deciding to move my chopper now. So I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, I got a shrink ray! And guess what? I have another chopper.
Oh, now you just have to wait for another turn.
Yes. But now does the monster move?
Yes, now.
Oh no, the monster's back on the loose. He's out of his
Don't I
sentence.
spin it this time?
No.
2.
Oh no.
1, 2. No! I mean, that's good for all of us because I have the chopper and the shrink ray.
But I mean, it's not good because we can't get any more tokens.
Your turn,
Right,
Kate.
now it's my
It's a little thing called saving, like saving up money. You save your tokens.
What? 1.
What's yeah, that's a one. In the middle. No!
Why didn't you move up?
Oof.
My turn now. Move.
2. Nice. Nice.
Wait, no.
What? What the?
1, 2. There we go.
Nice.
My sister still can't count.
I'm gonna use my chopper. Dun dun.
And
Dun dun.
And the shrink.
No, I can't use it all in one go.
Yeah, you
that-
have to.
that's the whole.
Shrink ray! Okay.
In the book,
I know.
the tail was the first thing that got lost.
I didn't know.
Oh, shush.
Still in the tool space, but here's the tail. So, camera lady.
So now we've.
Bada bing.
It's the Brontosaurus's turn.
Now he's not on the tool. Wait, he's only at the end.
I rolled a 2. Look. 1, 2.
Bang!
Now we can all take tokens, and it's my turn.
1. Look, I got a chopper. Now I can use it on my next go with the shrink ray.
Not now. And
I
can,
know that.
and I can kill the Brontosaurus's head. Brontosaurus.
But that means you need another shrink ray.
Kitty, where are you?
I think I'm there. I've been moving like back and forth.
You should go
Please don't get a 1
there.
again.
You should go towards there.
No.
Yes!
Yes! Yay! Got a chopper. I cannot kill the Brontosaurus. I got a chopper.
Okay, let's have a go.
Yeah.
But I'm already here, so.
There you go.
Have pimps. Are you going to use your invisible spray?
Just use it.
You have
I'm
to-
gonna use it. Oh. 3, 3.
2! Which means
1, 2, 3, 4.
that I'm going to use these. Here, camera lady. And I'm going to go.
It took my You took
And
my.
I'm gonna take the fleas. The fleas.
Fuzzy little animal squad.
You better subscribe and like right now, or I will eat you, and I'll find you, and eat you all up.
I'm going to use these. But remember, once we get rid of the Brontosaurus, we all still have to make it back to home. Oof.
And if you don't,
Okay, wait, okay, here you go. So, now that there's no Brontosaurus, to show that it's defeated, you flip it upside down.
kabam, kabam, kabam.
Now, we all have to make it back to Dogman's house in 3 turns each.
So if I get a 3, a 3, a 3, I have to make it back here.
Just spin it.
Yay! 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was easy.
My turn. Come on, get it. 3,
2.
Uh-oh. 1, 2.
Don't move for me.
Well, you're on the other side of the table. What do you expect? 3, 3. Yeah. I got me.
So that's 1 turn now.
My turn, eh?
Yeah.
So that's 1 turn now.
Yay! 1,
Nope, wrong person.
2,
Yep, no.
3. Get off my space, honey.
Okay.
3. Get a 3. Get a 3. Oh, it's a 2.
So now, we both have to spin, and we both have to make it back here. No!
1, 2.
If I get a 1, I lose.
Dun dun. This suspense is killing me. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Yes! No!
And it doesn't have to be an exact number to get on.
Really wanted to keep playing, but sadly this game had to come to an end. But this game was really awesome and fun, and it was tricky, and it was challenging, and it was really interesting. Thank you, University Games, for sending us this board game. It's been a great experience.
Remember to like
Subscribe.
and click that notification bells for the little annoying dings in the morning.
Bye!
But we're reviewing it tonight. I forgot. It's not out in stores yet, but oh my god. Not out in store yet. It's not out in stores. Wait, you weren't videoing me?
What's wrong with us?
Nothing.
In the novel, in the book, why do I have so much trouble saying the book series?